Hello children, so I am present before you once again with yet another video on reported speech, and today we will be doing some different rules regarding the change of direct speech into indirect speech. In the earlier video I told you how to convert the sentences of simple present into simple past. Today we will move from that part. Okay, we'll be doing some further rules okay, related to it. So today you will be told like suppose there is present continuous tense. So that sentence will be converted into past continuous. Clear? As per the structure, like suppose there is this series EMR first form ing. So you have to convert into was were first form ing. Okay, but only by writing this rule, uh, you cannot get that proper understanding. So for that, we'll be doing uh, these rules to examples. Listen, like she said to her uncle, I am writing a story. I am writing a story. Clear? So this is present continuous. This is reporting verb. This is reported speech, and this is direct speech. We have to convert into indirect. So she said to. It will be told. It will be used by taking this word told. She told her uncle. She told her uncle. Now I told you we convert or we combine these by reported speech and reporting verb by using this that only when you have this part in negative form or affirmative. She told her uncle that. Now I first person pronoun will change according to his subject. Okay, that she. And EMR will change into was that she was writing a story. Clear? Quite easy. Now, negative also it can be done like this. I am not, so you can use she was not. Now we take some interrogative sentence like they said to you. First we take normal interrogative like are you helping them? Are you helping them? Okay. So they said to. This is interrogative. So what we use here? Ask. They asked you. They asked you. And then it is not WH word. It's not WH family word. There is no WH family word used in this sentence. Only helping verbs are used of this tense, present continuous. So we use if or when. They ask you if, then you use this one. Second person. Second person will change according to object. Object it is same. Okay. If you. If you, then EMR will change into was were. If you were helping. Now then, which person it is? Third person. Okay. Third person plural. But third person I told you it will not change. It remains the same. First person changes according to subject. Second person changes according to object. And third person no change. So there will be no change. Clear? Now we take one more interrogative sentence. We will WH family. She said to the teacher, "Why are you doing it?" Anyone can ask anything to anyone. So she said to her teacher or the teacher, "Why are you doing it?" She interrogative. So she asked. Okay. This is interrogative sentence. That is why we are using converting this said to into asked. She asked the teacher. She asked the teacher. Okay. Why? Because I told you WH family when we do not use that, we do not use if, we do not use whether. We use WH family only. So she asked the teacher why. Is-MR we use into was verb, but we use was verb only after changing this pronoun. So you, second person pronoun according to object. The teacher, it may be male or female, anyone. So you can use he or she, he or she. Okay, and then was verb, was doing it. Clear? Now we take another sentence, or rather another tense. This is present perfect, and it will be converted into past perfect. Means when you have these two helping verbs followed by third form in a sentence, and you have to convert into a reported speech, and this thing you have into inverted commas. So what you will do, you change this one into had third form, into indirect. Clear? But how it is done? Listen. My brother said. It is not necessary that every time we have an object here. Okay? My brother said they have done their job. They have done their job. So convert into indirect. My brother said. My brother said. Now because there is no object, so we use that. Because ultimately we have to combine this reporting verb and reported speech, whether we have an object here or not. So my brother said that. Now they third person pronoun, third person. So as per the rule of this one, 1, 2, 3, SON, third person, we are not to do any change. It will not be converted in any pronoun. So my brother said that they, now have we changed into they had done. Again third form, mean third person pronoun, their job. Easy. Clear? Not to be worried about anything at all. Quite easy manner is there to change the sentences of direct speech into indirect speech. Next. One more example. Let me take this. Like she said to them, "Why have you told them?" Interrogative. she said to. It is interrogative. So what we do here? She asked. She asked them. Okay. After that, she asked them. Then we use WH family as it is. We are not to use if, whether, that, anything, because it has been told already to you. She asked them why. Now we are not to change has or have directly. I told you all the interrogative sentences of direct speech, reported speech, it will be converted into simple form. When you convert them into indirect. So why you second person pronoun. So it will be converted according to this. What is the subject of them? They. She asked them why they. Okay. Then had will change into had. Why they had told a. Clear? So in this manner, you can do all the changes related to reporting verb, reported speech, or you can say direct speech into indirect speech. So I hope you understood these two tenses very carefully. So I'll be coming with new rules and different information about reported speech quite quickly. Okay, so keep learning, keep watching, and enrich your